Gemsy 8802E. Cost-effective, direct-drive lock-stitch sewing machine. New aesthetic appearance, German industrial design style. Standard built-in adjustable LED light. Equipped with needle position function to increase the production. Adjustable speed. Designed to work on ultra-high speed without thread breakage. Built-in programs to adjust operation of the machine as per requirement. Stitch correction button makes sewing experience better without touching the wheel. Suitable for perfectly sewing light and thick materials. High precision parts. More durable and long life. Low maintenance cost. Gemsy. Ignite your passion for sewing.